Hey, what's up guys? Superior Sports Gaming. I, as you see, have 220,000 VC, and I heard the new promo was pretty good. So I'm going to pull a 20 box all around. Doing it. Oh, it's only out for 13 days. I thought it was out for more than that. Bam. Bam. Got it.
I hope you get nothing.
My friend did good out of this.
Nah, I feel like you're gonna do good. I don't know why. I just feel like your pack luck's been good.
I got a gold for Rudy Gobert. Okay.
Yeet.
Starting out with heat. Oh, Amos, the second pack. Let's go. Who do you think it is?
Is it Bird? It's Bird.
I hope it's Bird. I want Bird. I want Bird. I want Bird. Jalen Rose. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad.
No, you better have the other Rose, right?
Yeah, I would. I'm gonna get him too. Watch. Oh, Ruby. Ruby. That's good. That's good.
No, that's the worst that you can pull.
So it's Ruby. It's not bad. Chris Bosh. Alright.
They all go for 3K.
I know, but it's good for my team.
3,900 for.
Okay, all silver. All silver. Devin Booker. I'm gonna say so far it hasn't been bad. Guardy got one amethyst. And I got Serge Ibaka.
Who's your amethyst?
Jalen Rose. I mean, he's not bad, but there's better. I really wanted that Bird, though. That was some trash.
I wanted that Bird so we could replace my Kawhi if I was to lose the challenge.
I'm on a bit of a cold streak. Oh, Ruby. That's not cold anymore. Someone other than Bosch. I don't care who.
What?
And it's Bosch. Okay, got a little bit of something to sell. Oh, topper. Oh, Ruby out of the topper? John Havlicek. Okay, now I'm disappointed. I got a Ruby out of the topper.
I told you it was going to be a Ruby topper.
That means I gotta pull heat in the rest. I need a diamond. I don't have any diamonds on my team. I need a diamond. 9 more packs.
Alright, Will's going to be in your packs.
I would be happy with that. Nope, I got Terry Rozier. I don't know who that is. Bronze. Wow, I'm on one hell of a cold streak. Ooh, I got them light 'em up twos. Wow, I'm on a cold streak.
That's not good.
That topper was disappointing, man.
I was going to say, if you were to pull a diamond and sell them, I would probably sell my D-Rose.
Oh, I'm so disappointed on that topper still. I have 5 more packs. Oh, diamond, 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 diamond.
Diamond?
I have a diamond. Make your bets.
I think it's Will. It's Will.
I'm saying Rose. I'm saying Rose.
It's Will.
I wouldn't be mad with the Wilt. Jason Kidd.
He's
95 overall.
no, he's the best overall other than Rose.
He's the same as Rose.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. I am happy. Oh, Emerald. Pulling heat, man. Pulling heat.
He doesn't go for nearly as much as what Rose does, though.
Yeah, no, I'm going to keep him. It's because Rose is Rose. Oh, Ruby. Oh, meant to pull that last Havlicek. Building up my team. That's my first diamond. I'm so happy now. Another Ruby. Another Ruby. Make my bench better. Chris Bosh. My third one. I want another diamond. I really want it.
That might be reaching.
Oh, okay. Amethyst. 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 Who do you think it is? I want Bird. I want Bird. I want Bird.
Bird.
Fat Lever. Who names their kid Fat? Come on. That's just messed up. Oh, Ruby in the last pack. Ruby in the last pack. Chris Webber, I got all the rubies. Okay. pretty successful pack opening. Pack opening? Pack opening.
Wait, no, did you pull Headless yet?
Yeah, I pulled him twice.
Oh, and the topper too.
Okay, I was disappointed with the topper, but I still got a diamond. I'm gonna do my lineup now. I don't even know what position the guys I got are, honestly. Jalen Rose. Fat Lever's a point guard. Oh, I got 3 Amethyst point guards. Oh, well, Justin Kidd starting. That's not a question. Carter, question. Who comes out? Westbrook or Dennis Johnson?
Johnson.
There's no one named Thompson.
Johnson.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Johnson.
Wow, my team got so much better off that pack opening. Alright, I'm gonna finish my lineup here. And then I'm gonna end this video. Oh, Carter, my team's a 99 overall. Carter, I'm a 99 overall.
It can't be. You don't have a better team.
I will literally send you a picture right now.
Okay.
Okay, look at that team. 99 offense, 99 defense. And the bench is all... The worst player on my team is an 87, I think. Or 88. Wow. That was a successful pack opening. Got that Jason Kidd. Look at those stats. A+ in all those categories. Okay. Well, guys, that was my pack opening. You will hopefully see this soon. Hope you enjoyed it. See you then. Next video.